Today I'm going to show you guys how you can add your Google tag to your WordPress website. If yours starts with an AW, at first go to the plugins, click on add new, and then you want to click on this site kit, and then you want to click on install now. And then once it is installed, go to the plugins options, click on installed plugins. You'll see your site kit. So click on activate. And then what you need to do is go to site kit, click on sign in with Google. And from there, it's going to ask you to sign in. And once you've done that, just click on the settings, click on connect more services. And then we're going to click on ads since we have an AW. And then you're going to put in your AW tracking ID and then click on complete setup. And then you can see that it has been successfully added. Now, if you have a G-, you're going to click on plugin, click on add new. And your keyword this time would be site kit again. And this time you're going to install it. After installation, go to plugins and then click on install plugins and then click on activate one more time. And then what we're going to do is click on site kit and then click on sign in with Google. This is where you'll be asked to sign in to your Google account. And once you've signed in, it's going to say verify ownership. So you're going to allow everything, set up the search console and things like that. And then click on proceed. And finally, just click on whatever option you want to do and click on configure analytics. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.